Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny. Today I am working with the Heritage Recipe Playbook number 12 and the Heritage Friendship Recipe Playbook number 14. I have created a ring-bound journal. I created the covers like I did in the previous video, just the no-cut wrap cover. Here are the pages, the 8x10 pages. That is a kit. Here's some tea-dyed papers, and there are some coffee-dyed papers in here as well. I just folded the 8x10 papers in half, put the insides facing together, and then the fold is on the right, and I punched holes on the left, which is 2 individual papers, to make 1 page. So I hope that makes sense. This is the pull-out page that is included with the kit number 12. The pull-out page has the little tabs, and I just punched holes. These are for the accordion curved spine, but I used them for the rings. Here is the flip-out pocket. It has this glue tab on. Just folded the page in half like it shows on the template, and then the flip up is the flap at the top, the glue tab at the top. And I am just going to put some glue. I'm going to make this a pocket here, so I'm going to put some glue on that left tab. That creates my full page pocket, making sure all the glue is out, that I didn't put too much. Then I'm going to go to my pull-out page that is already in the book. I'm going to glue this tab to the inside of the pull-out page up here at the top. Now, I did not make the pull-out page a pocket. I just left it as is so that I can use it to write in. And I'm just going to glue this to the top of the inside of the pull-out page. I am making sure that the flip up will actually fit and it won't bother with the rings. Again, I designed this kit to go with an accordion spine type of journal. I turned this into a ring-bound journal. Here I am just trimming the top, each sides of that tab, so that it will fit nicely on the back side of the fold-out page. So now I have this tab on the pull-out page, and I'm going to make a quick little glue spot at the top and the bottom only, and to make it like a little tuck space that's hidden behind the first pull-out page. And I can put some little goodies in there just to make it like a little side tuck. Okay, so now I am looking for the instructions and things to show you. There are instructions for this playbook number 12. I will not be needing them for the ring bound because obviously the ring bound is different, but it does show you what the pages are, what pockets. The pockets and the page, or the little page flip ups and the note flip ups will work with this ring bound. So that's what we're going to be using. These are the little note flip ups. I will be using those. I will be using the index pockets, and I will be using the layered pockets as well for this ring bound journal. So the instructions will help you to identify what each sheet is and what you will need. Here I am showing you the process of creating the little flip up notes and the index pockets that are staggered, and also the layered pockets as well, the pink one. So I'm just going to go through the process of creating these flip ups and the pockets, and basically it's basic. You just print, cut, and create, and I'm going to be showing you how that I stack them and how that I actually make them for the ring bound journal.